Water level of Imphal River, Iril River and Manipur River have decreased below danger mark after a halt in rainfall in the past 24 hours. According to the daily flood report of Water Resource Department, the rainfall at the rain gauge stations in Kangpokpi, Saikul, Litan, Rajbhavan, Lamphel and Jiribam were recorded nil during 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. today. Meanwhile, the water level of Imphal River, Iril River and Manipur River at Minuthong, Irilbong Bridge and Ithai Barrage respectively were running below danger mark. The water level of Nambul River at Thong Nambonbi was also running below flood level. Besides, the water level of Nambol River was flowing a bit higher from flood level at Nambol Bridge. On the other hand, water level of Thobal River at Thobal Bridge was running below warning level. Meanwhile, as part of flood mitigation efforts, authorities concerned have opened 4 shutters of Ithai Barrage after the water level of Manipur River has been reduced below warning level at the dam. Gate number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of Imphal Barrage were also opened, while Samusang regulator have been closed completely. It is also said that one gate of Thobal Barrage was also partially opened till 0.20 meters.